little mini excavator, and guys, I love this thing. I've had a blast with it. However, so I have bent the thumb, and this side just kind of shot over. So if you look, this is bent. I'm going to straighten this back out, and then I'm going to put a piece of flat, heavy steel in between these two and weld them in. Other than that, I really can't find anything I don't like about this unit. I don't think you should be able to bend this, so I think this needs to be either strengthened up or changed in some way that it wouldn't be that easy to bend. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tony, and this is Tony's Tractor Adventure, and we got the MechMaxx, MEC10, Mini X, and I bent the thumb on this, and you can see here it's got a little angle to it. Let's see if I can get this around here where you guys can see it. Not that bad now. I worked on it a little earlier. I couldn't get it to straighten back out and be stronger. I just think this length is too long for this size metal. This is, I mean, it's not thin metal at all. This is probably metric, a little bit over 3/8, maybe 10 millimeter. And so it's a bit thick, but it still should have some support down here. And I'll end up bending it again. So that actually, so I grabbed it at the tip and twisted it kind of at an angle so it rotated, because it was rotated in, and that actually looks really good. I'll go ahead and, now that I've got it rotated back the right direction, I'll get it in the center and see if I can just put a little bit more on it. Okay, there you go. All right, this lens has a curve to it, so it's going to not look right to you guys. But I promise you, this is absolutely as straight as it was when it come the day I got it. All right. All right, I think I've figured it out. I'm going to cut this plate at the same width as this, and then I'm going to lay it in here at an angle. So it's going to come, it's going to give me the rigidity here that I need, because it's going at an angle like this, but it's also going to support down here, and it's going to keep stuff from, it's not going to go below the teeth. So I'm still going to have the teeth to grip. I think that's going to be just the simplest thing to do, and it's going to be more than enough for this, because this dude is, like I said, this is 1/2 inch. It's just thicker than this. A little bend in that. It's a pretty good gap right there. I don't know if I can. All right, we are using the Hobart Handler 140, and it's 115 volt, and this is actually not a heavy enough welder. So if you look here, we're going to be using flux core E71 T11, and no shielding gas is required. 0.035 is the wire size to the diameter we're going to be using, and the settings are going to be set to 5 and 40. And the reason that's at a 1/4 inch, and this is more, you know, it's definitely more than what this thing is rated for. So let's go ahead and set this up. So there's 5, and we're going to run this around to 40, and let's see, we'll give it a whirl. All right, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and tack this in. And weld like this. Great, nice hot day to a storm coming through. So I'm going to have to finish it off in here. Say we get the boom in. That's one of the drawbacks of this unit is you can't get it in a standard 7-foot door. A garage door, it won't go through. It's just a little too high. You see here, I added this piece in the bottom, and let's see if you can here with the gap. It's all filled in now. That was basically, I don't know, 4 inches, 4 inches down. This hanging over it. This still could get bent, but I think it's going to be very unlikely. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video. That's how you fix the little mini excavator thumb. If you buy this, I would recommend welding that piece in. If you don't know how to do it prior to starting, I would probably take the thumb off and carry it to somebody and have it welded up there, because it's going to bend. It's just, that's going to be a weak point. I seen it when I first got it. Other than that, I really can't find anything I don't like about this unit. It's been rock solid. I've got about 12 actual full hours of use on it now. It's over a couple 3 days, and it's really impressing me. So you guys have a great day. God bless.